Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the brow area thoroughly so the thread grips hair, not oil or makeup. Next, trim any excessively long hairs to about 1/8 of an inch and lightly mark your desired arch points. Take a strong cotton thread tied into a loop and hold each end with your index fingers and thumbs. Create a tight twist in the middle. Now place the twisted section over the first row of hairs and use opposing hand movements to open and close the twist, catching and pulling hairs smoothly. Once done with the first pass, outline both brows to set the boundary and remove obvious bulk, because defining the shape early prevents overthreading. Make 3 controlled passes, one for the outline, one for removing bulk between the brows and under the arch, and one final refine pass to clean stray hairs. Make sure to keep the skin taut with your free hand and use quick, consistent thread motions to reduce pain and breakage. Every few seconds, step back and compare both sides to maintain symmetry. To finish, wipe the area gently and apply a cold compress or aloe vera gel to reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. You want to calm follicles and minimize redness. Once soothed, apply light pressure. Do not use alcohol-based toners for at least 24 hours and avoid sun exposure. If you notice persistent redness or ingrown hairs, wait 48 hours, then exfoliate gently with a soft scrub or chemical exfoliant to free trapped hairs. And if severe irritation continues, consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.